Just while losing weight is by no means simple, it doesn't always imply it has to be very tough. While you'll still have to indulge in your favorite foods a bit less frequently and possibly spend more time at the gym, adopting some modest lifestyle modifications can also help you reach your weight loss objectives. We recognize that reducing weight entails making some compromises. And we explored the internet to uncover some ideas and tactics that will help you reduce your goal down into simply manageable stages. 1. Brush your teeth before to each meal. Not only can cleaning your teeth properly improve your breath, but it may also help you lose weight more quickly. Brushing your teeth for 2 minutes, 3 times a day, can help you burn roughly 5,500 calories and lose approximately 1.5 pounds every year without even recognizing it. And if you tend to overindulge in evening snacks, cleaning your teeth after a meal may prevent you from grabbing another cookie since it's doubtful you'll want to brush and floss them again. 2. Never leave your house without a bottle of water. Staying hydrated is a must for your beauty, health, and well-being as a whole. Not only will drinking enough water keep your skin from getting wrinkles for longer, but it will also make you feel full and help you control your hunger. Drinking cold or room temperature water also helps you burn more calories because your body needs more energy to heat up the water for digestion. Take a bottle of ice water with you everywhere you go to make sure you drink enough water throughout the day. 3. Purchase a zester. If you're trying to lose weight, avoid salt and soy sauce, but there are plenty of more healthier methods to make any food taste better. Adding lemon zest to your salad will not only give it a fresh citrus taste, but it may also help you lose weight. Lemon peels contain pectin fiber, which makes you feel satisfied for longer and may help you lose weight quicker and prevent fat storage. 4. Purchase a sleep mask. It may seem too good to be true, but sleeping in a gloomy atmosphere might really help you get closer to your weight reduction objectives. Attempting to sleep with a light disrupts metabolic control, which may raise your chance of weight gain. If you don't have blackout curtains, try investing in a high-quality sleep mask to help you block out light and sleep better. 5. Make use of smaller plates. Simply using a smaller plate may help you lose weight, minimize overeating, and even prevent painful heartburn. Serving your meal on a smaller plate may help you fool your brain into consuming less calories. 6. Make low-calorie substitutions. You don't have to give up your favorite munchies just because you're trying to lose weight. Making a few easy, lower-calorie substitutions may help you enjoy great meals while staying on track with your weight. If you're accustomed to starting your day with sweet granola, try oatmeal instead. You can make it taste just as nice by adding some fruits and honey.